2 3 4 5, okay, 6 7 8 9 10. I really want all of you to, if you're not familiar with it, start with only 1 to 10, okay, and then basically all the tens till you get to sort of 100, which is nothing but saw. Definitely you must remember till 12 first, so you can tell the time. Okay, after that, like, at least the major numbers, right? I mean, in tens and in hundreds. Okay, after that, like, the date of birth, which are very important to you, someone's date of birth, or like, other important dates, right?